Hey guys, what's going on, XC Gang? So, in this video I've put together a montage of this track that I've been building just up the road from my house. This track, it involves a new berm which I put in, a couple of little drops, quite a lot of puddles and mud, and some nice jumps. So, without further ado, enjoy the video, and chuck us a like and subscribe. So straight away we're diving into the deep end, with the hardest part of this entire thing was the berm at the start of it. I was digging with clay, so it wasn't that much of a fine material to use for the dirt, and the soil was quite tough, but I had a system going. So what I did first was I destroyed the entire berm and took it apart, and then from that dirt that I then used, I replaced it and put it over the top and backed in the sticks, packed it all in, and now it's a fine looking berm. Okay, so moving on now, just up from the berm about 10 meters away, I've decided to put some sticks up across next to a drop that used to just give you a ton of kick off the route. So I've piled the sticks up and I've decided to cover it in dirt, so there's a nice little off kind of ramp into a big drop onto a steep landing. The drop consists of just clay and it's all packed in really nicely. It looks like a smooth and nice jump to hit. Okay, so now just before the berm at the top of the track, I decided to put a kind of rollover, sort of more or less a jump into the berm. You can roll over it, or you can just kind of jump down onto the downside of it. However, it does give you quite a bit of pop if you do, so I'm thinking of filling up the hole behind it with more dirt, so it's more of a rollover, a flat to roll into the berm. I've been digging up, I rebuilt a berm, took that apart, dug out some dirt from the side and decided to make a new feature, like a little rollover where you can jump into it. So at the very start, lay down some sticks and I chucked those in behind it to keep them still. That is pretty tough in there, pretty nice and tough. So that's, it doesn't look that steep on camera, but so you jump into this new berm I've just dug, which has taken me quite a while, covered in sweat. So yeah, you go through there on that berm. Dug all that out so I could redo the berm. Added in some new dirt on the back. There's a bit of view. And then, yep, and then carry on down here. I'm thinking of filling these out so it's not so bumpy anymore. And so you come down here. I built a little drop off here. Oh, not even a drop, just a little jump. Got sticks underneath this. I'm going to send it right down there. But I made it so there was a root there that stuck out quite a bit. I made it so that it's nice and flat through there, which you can see from this angle. It's actually a decent jump. It's not fully packed in yet. The sticks are moving around a bit, but they should stay still after a bit. I'll come by tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll see. But yeah, so far that's all I've done at the top. I'll be working down here soon. Down here, I've been just building this little like curb kind of looking thing just there, so when you send it off that you can land there. I might build a landing, I don't know, but if you come further down here, I kind of want to do something to this tabletop up here. It's not really a tabletop, that's why. There's a stick there, and it's been raining here lately, so yep, so that's all been dug out. It's kind of a jump, except you've got nowhere to go, and you just send it straight into this thing here. Just pure dirt. I need to take that apart and rebuild that, because that's just gone to nothing, as you see. But I'm still good, but it's kind of falling apart. I got this hole here because that was just pure muck just in there, so dug a hole there and put a little jump thing over it. At least I tried to. It's actually holding in pretty well. I'll come by when it's dried up here. It wasn't raining for about, and then I was in Australia for one of them. I built this all the day before I went. A little mini berm thing. And I've got just here, I redid the drainage. So that's all brand new drainage. And then, yeah. So I'm thinking about filling this out as well. I probably don't need to, it's about over the top. But yeah, I got this tiny drop here, and then I dug 2 little things on the side. Down a bit further. As you can see, just up there. And then carry on down here. You've got this little mini thing here. It's starting to come to pieces. That shouldn't bother me, that. And then slide down. Thinking of filling that in, but yep. So you got side line just there, and you got the top one. Or if you're a pussy, you got the stairs down there, and you walk down there. The sissy line. And you got just here. I tried to build like a little mini thing off it. Which I did hit. I don't know if you can see the marks. But yeah, I did hit that, and I went flying down here. And you just land right on this little bump here. And then you go flying down there. I have not done any work down here, but I need to cut out some of the